yo, just a fucking take your own grave. Got to get your own way, I'm the really go. You ain't never made a list next to no Biggie, no J, next to Taylor Swift. And that Iggy Ho, about to really flow, Jelly, that be putting your name.
10 Eastern Pacific 77072. Văn phòng BTSOS xin mời quý vị tham gia.
Car on the curb? Oh, you must have just passed them.
Choosing to boycott the U.S. Canadians are voting with their feet and not going to holiday in the U.S. Canadians are voting with their wallets and not buying U.S. goods. I think Canadians would support a strong position from the government of Canada.
What the f? Oh my god.
Parkway.
County, northbound, the turnpike, approaching the 408. It's going to be a red, it's like a Lamborghini. Get out. Shut it off. So you know you're being placed under arrest for dangerous excessive speed. You're going to be transported to the Orange County Jail. So I'm towing your car.
Going here?
Don't go too close because you want to have one.
Okay, just turn it. Slowly start pushing on the brake. Start pushing on the brake. No, brake. What is wrong with you?
Even their chakra network, you'll be able to see how internally everything moved too.
On my car. Gonna cook bottom sauce. Wow. I keep look like a car.
What are you up to, man? What? What are you doing, man?
You're a hero?
What are you doing, man?
Yeah. You're a dumb dog.
Me?
Yeah.
Why?
Let's go.
What's wrong?
Alas, let's go.
What's wrong?
Alas.
Haul ass?
Right, you're being a dumbass.
I'm just moving over on my way.
Dude, stop, dude. We're not stupid. Go.
You?
Go ahead, go.
Okay, I am. Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
I
I'll check, come close to me. Oh, way she close. Oh, I'm getting money like no. Babe. No. Oh my.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. See you on TV a lot.
Yeah, but they did substitute everything.
Alright.
So. Be careful of the runner.
Can you get out of the tree? Like,
yo, where are you going? What are you doing?
nah, she's rage baiting. Look, and then she runs back.
Did she want to die? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh. 5-10 radio, prepare to fill.
Trying to get somebody killed? You're driving northbound in the southbound lanes. You're on the wrong side of the interstate. You're under arrest.